Well, that was on there pretty good, but we popped the seal off. It flew off, rolled around the room, and kind of boomeranged back to me, and here it is. So now we're at the point where we're going to put another seal back in. And what we're going to do is use the replacement oil seal from SKF. All right, so you've got a couple different options when you're going to do this. And here's the deal. Some guys will take the cheap route and use the kind of the low-grade seal. And they'll put that in there. The rubber's not as good. The sealing lips aren't as good. All the materials are kind of inferior. Or you can go with the OEM quality like we've got right here with the SKF. Now, the thing is, we're talking about a difference of $3 to $5. This isn't exactly an enjoyable job, and it's not something that you want to do any more than you absolutely have to. So you might as well spend the extra $3, $4, $5, get a good OEM seal like the SKF, and put that baby back in there. This is our new seal going in, and if you look at this kind of greenish ring that goes all the way around, that's called bore tight. And what it does is, if there's any imperfections there where the seal seats in, it kind of fills in those imperfections. That way you get a good seal. So a lot of times people will go in and they'll line the seal up and they'll take a little hammer or something like this and they'll just start pounding it in and work their way around. The problem is you run the risk of setting it in there crooked, right? And then it's not going to seal up properly. So a good idea is you get one of these tools right here, boom. And this will make the job easier because you can kind of stick this in, and then that way you can pound on this end back in here, and you get good even pressure, and that thing's going to go in perfectly. Nice.